All right, let's go over my top 5 pairs I will be interested in trading this week. First we have NZDCAD. So NZDCAD on the weekly, we are bearish. We have this lower high and this lower low. On the daily time frame, we are bullish. This is the higher low, and this is the higher high. And then on the 4-hour, we are also bullish. So we have the 4-hour and daily in sync. If this 4-hour somehow shifts is bearish, then I won't be interested in this trade. But if you see here, this daily area of interest, we have resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, support, and so on. We're also gonna have, I want price to have a pullback into this area of interest, closing it, also retesting EMA, also retesting this previous structure point. We could also throw in a round psychological area. So that's another confluence we have. So this is like my top pair for this week. I'm very interested in trading. So yeah, waiting for a pullback into this area on the daily time frame, and then the next day, shift the structure on the 1-hour, 30-minute with an entry confirmation. Next, we have USDJPY. USDJPY on the weekly, we are bearish. We just created this lower high and this lower low. On the daily time frame, we're also bearish. This is our lower high and this is our current lower low. Then the 4-hour is also bearish, but 4-hour will shift structure and go bullish in order for it to reach our area of interest. And our daily area of interest, we have support, support, resistance, support, support, and so on. So I'm waiting for price to have a pullback on the daily time frame into this area to then have a shift of structure with an entry confirmation to take a sell. We could also add this round psychological area. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, waiting for price to reach here and then shift the structure with a bullish and bearish engulfing. Next, EURGBP. Next, EURGBP will start on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're bearish. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. On the daily time frame, we're also bearish. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. 4-hour, we are bullish. This is our higher high. This is our higher low. So we have two time frames in sync. We have the daily and the weekly bearish. So the 4-hour doesn't matter. I'll still take this trade as long as we have two time frames in sync. So what I'm waiting is for price to reach into this area of interest that we have support. We have resistance, resistance, support, 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 and so on. Once we reach this area of interest, this EMA will do something like this and push price down. So yeah, what I'm waiting for is a pullback into this area to take a sell. Next, we have GBP USD. On the weekly time frame, we are bearish. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. On the daily time frame, we are currently bullish. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. And on the 4-hour as well, we're also bullish. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. So I'm waiting for price to go right here to take a buy. I also want the daily and the 4-hour to stay bullish. If the 4-hour somehow shifts its structure and goes bearish, I will not be taking this trade. We also have this nice area of interest. We have resistance, 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 support, support, resistance, support, support, and so on. So I'll be waiting for price to close in here and wait for a shift of structure on the 1-hour. Wait for a shift of structure on the 30-minute to take this trade. What price could do, price could also give us something like this. We end up closing like this and come all the way down to here. If we close and we come all the way down here, I might also be interested to buy from down there. So this market could have something like this, or something like this as well. It could also happen. So we'll just react and adapt. The market does whatever it wants at the end of the day, and we're just waiting for our setup to get there. Next we have AUD USD. We are bearish on the weekly. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. On the daily time frame, we're also bullish. This is our high low. This is our high high. And on the 4 hour, we are also bullish. This is our higher high, and this is our higher low. So what I want price to do is come down here into this area of interest, EMA, and also around psychological level, to then close, wait for a shift of structure, and have our entry signal. This is a solid area of interest. We have resistance, and then support all around here. So these are my top 5 pairs of this week. I'll be doing a trade recap of this week, the trades I take. My 5K funded account is at 5,200. So we're up 4%, risking 1% every trade I take. And yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, leave any comments, any questions you guys have, and hope you have a good day. Peace.